and for Swara Bhaskar as well. So happy to see good talent get great situations. अभी मैं आपको ना इसके साथ मैं कुछ पूछवाने वाला हूँ. सलमान सर सामने हैं. मैं जब सलमान सर को देखता हूँ तो यूं हो जाते हैं हम लोग, यार सर हम पर भी मेहरबान हो जाएं. तो आप तो सर के साथ आ गए थे, तो बताइए ये एक्सपीरियंस. सलमान सर उन
अभी अभी के बारे में
वैसे भी सर
पहले
पूरी जो पिक्चर.
देखिए, ऐसा है कि आज मैं अलग अलग किस्म की फिल्में कर रहा हूँ. लोग ऑफ बीट सिनेमा की बात करते हैं, वर्ल्ड सिनेमा की बात करते हैं. मैं सिर्फ एक बात ये पूछना चाहता हूँ किसी भी एक आम शख्स से कि वो पहली फिल्म है, वो पहली फिल्म कौन सी है जो आपने अपने पैसों से देखी है? तो मेरी वो पहली फिल्म है मैंने प्यार किया. वहां से मेरी जर्नी शुरू होती है और मैं 17 बार देख चुका था, 16 बार देख चुका था, और 17वीं बार देखने के लिए मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे. तो मैंने अपनी हिस्ट्री की और हिंदी की बुक्स तराजू पे रख दी थी और ₹2.5 मिला था, और मैंने 17वीं बार वो फिल्म देखी थी. तो आज मैं उसी टीम के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, राष्ट्रीय और सलमान भाई के साथ, और ये मेरा सौभाग्य है और बहुत ही मज़ा आया. और फैमिली है पूरी और प्यार ही प्यार है इस फिल्म में.
वो तो सर पूरा दिख ही रहा है, बहुत खूबसूरत एनवायरनमेंट है. और खूबसूरती के साथ हम खत्म तो नहीं कर रहे, लेकिन स्वरा ब्यूटीफुल, nice to be part of such a huge setup. So you've been traveling all over, you're seeing all kinds of cinema.
It's not a flattering story.
ये स्टोरी वो मीडिया को जरूर आप बताना, लेकिन no film is complete, especially your films, without music. And I know that Bhushan ji walked back over there. Bhushan ji, can we call you back on stage so that you also may be able to speak? Yes, there is a spot for you, sir. Now, Bhushan ji, this pressure is the most on music, क्योंकि पहले film music से ही बिकती है. Let's put it that way. People love the film with the music, and उसके बाद teasers आते हैं, the promos आते हैं. So you've got a great eye for music, and you managed to make this empire with that. Being attached with Suraj ji also and Salman sir, of course, just an experience of that.
This is my first time जो सूरज जी और राशि प्रोडक्शन के साथ आई एम वर्किंग, सो आई एम वेरी वेरी थैंकफुल टू देम कि फर्स्ट टाइम उन्होंने मुझे अपना म्यूज़िक मार्केट करने का मौका दिया. हमेशा वो सुपर्ब गाने बनाते हैं, और सलमान खान की फिल्म के लिए आपको म्यूज़िक की ज़रूरत वैसे नहीं होती है ओपनिंग के लिए, लेकिन गाने बहुत अच्छे हैं, फिल्म के साथ बहुत अच्छे जाते हैं, मेलोडियस हैं. सो आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट द होल थिंग.
I'm excited as well. I'm going to open out to the entire media, and if you can find them.
बहुत खूबसूरती से सारे चीज़ों को हैंडल कर रहे थे, तो वो किस तरह से कर पाए आप?
बहुत मैंने भी हीरो को हीरोइनों को रुलाया है, आज के मैंने बहुत बहुत सब किया. नहीं नहीं, अब आफ्टर ऑल दिस देन यू रियलाइज व्हेन एक्चुअली व्हेन मैंने प्यार किया. जैसे रिमेंबर.
No, I don't remember. What happened?
So I have done all that, but finally I realized कि चीखने चिल्लाने से कुछ नहीं होता. Because finally it is always you have to have, we all human beings, we all have our moods and everything, and finally it is the creation. We all fighting actually to create, correct? So it doesn't matter if someone loses temper. You have to go.
Yes, he yelled.
Salman
In
from
मैंने प्यार किया, he yelled. His yelling का है. No, please don't do this now.
Hi, Salman. Towards your left. Hi. Salman, you just praised Suraj ji. Can we say that Suraj ji gets the best out of you as an actor?
As a person, and that translates on screen.
And one quality that you have imbibed as Prem in you?
See, all the movies that are doing right now is like when you see a Suraj Barjatya film and you come out of the theater, you want to be that person. So while doing 150, 200 days of a movie, I try and get as much of that character into my own personality now.
Sir, Salman sir, another question. From Rekha to Sonam, you worked with so many heroines. What do you have to say working with all of them?
Rekha ji was my bhabhi in the movie.
Fine, even as a bhabhi.
When she becomes my bhabhi, then I will tell you.
Okay.
Salman sir, here towards your left. You played Prem 16 years back, and you're returning back as Prem, as Suraj sir's Prem now. Different characters, and you've tasted supreme success. How much have you,
The film.
and how much have you missed being Suraj sir's Prem then?
That much. That's why he did that film.
Naya aaya hai ye.
Hi, good evening.
Hi Salman.
My question is to
Hi,
Bhushan sir
Salman.
over
Hi.
here.
One sec. Yeah, so we'll stick to that. One sec. We'll stick to that left zone and then come to you. Yeah, go.
Music has played a very important role in all Suraj Barjatya films. And this film has 9 songs, and you just have 40 days for the release. So how do you plan to market the music of the film?
We are planning every week now. Every week one song we are planning. So we have 5.
And
Yeah.
and when can we expect the full album to be out?
10th of October.
Thank you.
5 months after the release.
Hi Salman.
While the film is still in the theaters and not getting tickets.
Hi, my question is to Salman. Salman, in this film, straight right in front.
Actually, to the
Salman,
right.
in this,
Straight in the
in
right.
this film, we see you in 2 avatars. One is the innocent Prem, and one is a fighter who we hear is Vijay. Is that true? Do we get to see you in a double role in this film?
See, all these lying sawal Suraj Barjatya will give you.
हेलो मेरा सवाल सोनम
Wait,
जी से है।
you need to see the film. For that, I mean, that's our film. We can't open a film. You know, we're not going to say there's 1 character, 2 characters, 3 characters. We're just going to say that you need to go and see the film.
Salman, also while you were shooting this film, you were going through a difficult time in your personal life.
I'm always
Was that-
going through that difficult time. That does not reflect on the film. So whenever I'm going through a difficult time in my life, my work on film is that much better. So please, remember that. And then do not let the difficult time hamper the release of the film. Because we worked a lot on that, in that difficult time, on that film.
Right, so that was my...
And I'm still going through it, and I'll keep on going through it. That's my share of karma.
हेलो सोनम जी आरती सक्सेना आपका
Sharat
ड्रीम
Saxena साहब से
Aarti ji, आप दिखाई नहीं दे रही है. Can you? Ah, she's again on the left side. You got
हेलो
concentration on the left and
सोनम
right.
जी मेरा सवाल ये है कि आपका बचपन से ड्रीम था सलमान जी के साथ काम करने का तो जब वो आपके सामने थे फर्स्ट सीन में तो आपका क्या रिएक्शन था
एक छोटी सी कहानी मैं आपको बोलूँगी मैं आई थिंक मैं करीब 14 साल की थी और सलमान सर डैड के साथ एक फिल्म करते थे आई थिंक वाज अ स्पेशल अपीयरेंस और मैं यूजुअली
By
पापा
the
के
way, अनिल कपूर साहब मेरे दोस्त थे. अब मैं सर हो गए.
और मैं यूजुअली उनके सेट पे मुझे आई वाजंट अलाउड कि वो बोलते थे कि यू नॉट अलाउड टू कम ऑन सेट और ये वो बट आई सेड प्लीज आप सलमान खान के साथ शूट कर रहे हैं प्लीज मुझे आने दो द फर्स्ट एंड ओनली टाइम आई बीन ऑन अ फिल्म सेट नॉट इवन ऑन अ फिल्म सेट आई वाज सिटिंग इन द वैन and I get to see Salman Khan. He sat with me for around an hour. He doesn't remember this, and he's spoken to me. And obviously, I must have traumatized him. But
Can we ask you what you guys chatted on?
I have no idea.
I met her one day. We all went for a family holiday. We went to Goa. I saw this one person sitting in front of me at the age of 14, now 15, as Salman Khan. I said, "What are you doing?" So I said, "Go, change and come back."
He
So she
still
got
says
really
that. What are you doing? Go change and come back. That's not
Low
change.
top. I said, "ये क्या है?"
No.
I said, "Go right now." She got so upset with me.
हेलो सलमान जी मेरा आपसे सवाल है यही शरद सक्सेना
We're very businesslike today at the press conference, aren't we? No, like, reactions to all the answers. What happened, man? I'll do it 10 minutes more, you know, like we can react.
प्रेम रतन धन पायो पिक्चर का नाम है लेकिन असल जिंदगी में लोग सलमान रतन धन पायो पाना चाहते हैं तो
Same thing, no?
ये जो धन है ये स्विस बैंक में जाएगा कि
That was a nice poster as well. Oh, acha. Oh. That was a really nice poster. And this is also really beautiful. I think very pretty.
All right, guys, thank you. We'll just finish up with a photo op, sir. If you could all come and